श्री पंडा प्रकाश जी, डॉक्टर पंडा प्रकाश, समय है आपके लिए 5 मिनट का, पूरा करिए।
Thank you, Chairman, sir. Sir, on behalf of our party, Telangana Rashtra Samiti, we express its deep concern over the communal clashes took place in Delhi. We strongly feel India is a secular country and people cannot be divided on religious lines. Sir, no doubt that what happened in the national capital is religious-driven bloodshed, where 53 people reportedly killed and thousands of are injured and so many is missing. Even there is press reports yesterday also, 20 people they are missing. They are searching at mortuaries for the identification of the people. Sir, houses and shops and other properties are destroyed and establishments were set fire. Sir, this is now, it is terrified the entire country, sir. Sir, as on today, we are not having a report of how many people totally affected with these riots. How much of damage are made by the other people. Sir, the Delhi riots unfortunately have shown the fragility of inter-community lies in the country. Sir, this cannot be seen as a local issue and was sparked up by local events, and do not think it's spontaneous and erratic. It would like to be the outcome of growing intolerance among the people. Sir, our party always giving the stand on this is in the backdrop. It is also considered as a mood against the backdrop of the overall political and social polarization that has gripped the country in the wake of passage of the CAA. The decision embarked on the review of National Population Register and the speculation over the possible National Register of the Citizen, that is NRC, sir. Sir, however, we demand for whatever the steps we have to initiate to arrest the guilty, whichever party they are belongs. There is so many allegations that is coming. One side only people are arrested, other side who is provoked, who is involved in the incident, that is they are away from the, they are not arrested so far, sir. We request Honorable Home Minister, please take necessary steps. Whichever party they belongs, whatever the position they are having, kindly make necessary steps to control the totally Delhi situation, sir. Sir, always we feel that at this juncture, it would like to say that I also totally endorse with the Kapil Sibal sir. This communalism is not less than coronavirus, sir. It is not less than coronavirus. It's shaken the country for several days. Now we are experienced that we should not encourage this communalism in the country, sir. The House must take a pledge to protect diversity of the country. We often use the Upanishads phrase, Vasudhaika Kutumbam, which means the world is one family. India over centuries embodied the concept of the people of this country, proved their commitment to such brotherhood on every occasion in the past. Sir, Honorable Chairman, sir, TRS is against any such division and intolerance. We always stand for unity in diversity. Our leader, K. Chandrasekhar Rao, Chief Minister of Telangana, always insists that we should protect the inherent nature of Ganga Jamuna Tehzeeb of this country. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Shri Ilamaram Karim.